Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesday. And in this episode, I am going to show you one of my secrets on how I select on what beach I'm going to hunt. We will select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It. At the end of this video, I will have another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. So let's get started. Okay guys, I'm showing you one of my secrets right now. So when I get off of work or I'm at work and I'm trying to select, hey, what beach is Jim going to hunt as soon as he gets home? And that's technically, this is exactly one of the methods that I do. So if I'm going home, I'm going to check the beach closest to my house. So right here is the surf cams for Bolsa Chica State Beach. I don't see a whole lot of activity, and I see it's very windy over here. So I am going to jump and take a look at another beach. This is the north side of Seal Beach. Taking a quick scan just to see how it looks. It looks like there's quite a few people right on the towel line area. Not a whole lot of people back. I don't see a whole lot of playing of games at the moment right now. But guys, keep in mind, at the time of day, I'm actually looking at the afternoon. So I do believe that the time right now is 3:45. And I would normally already be on the beach. So right now, 3:45, that's quite a few people on the beach. So I can imagine that beach was pretty packed. So I would say Seal Beach, north side of the pier, looks pretty good. This is Sunset Beach right near my home, the place I hunt probably most frequently. And you can tell right now, there's not a whole lot of activity. And if I'm looking at the dry sand and I'm looking at the wet sand, I don't see too much surf activity going on at all. I don't see a whole lot of fishing activity happening. So I'm moving on down to another beach. This is Huntington Dog Beach, right near Golden West. And I don't see a lot of activity here. I do believe it's because it's fairly windy, and you can see how windy it really is, fairly choppy out there. And there's not even too many dogs out right now. So let's move south, and I think we might need to, let's just go by the Huntington Beach Pier and take a look and then jump down to Newport. Okay guys, wow, that's a big old cargo ship out there. But this is the north side of Huntington Beach Pier. And there's quite a bit of activity. There's some people playing in the water. I did look at some other cams. There's quite a bit. There's always quite a bit of activity, but look at the real picture, the wind, right? So I would say let's move south into Newport and take a look. I'll show you the south side of the pier here right now, and then we'll go down to Newport. Okay guys, here's a multi-view of the south side of the pier. I see quite a bit of activity actually on the south side of the pier. Up high I can see a lot of wind still. And out in the ocean it still looks choppy. So let's take a look at Newport Beach. I think Newport Beach might look better. Okay guys, here is Newport Beach. You can actually see that Newport Beach is a little shaped a little bit different, and takes the wind a little bit better. That way you can see that the umbrellas and the tents aren't shaking as bad, but you can really see the wind is busy out there, but you don't see it really struggling like the young lady here with the towel. That towel is not flapping, right? This flag over here is not flapping too badly. So the wind there is nowhere near as bad at this particular spot. This is called Lower Jetties. So I would say this is a great area to be hunting here. If I was to leave my home here, I would say 60% of these people would be gone by the time I got there. So let's move down even further south. Okay guys, we moved a little bit further south. This is better known as the Blackies. And the Blackies is just north of the north side of Newport Beach Pier. And I do see a lot of activity. I see the wind is pretty strong there. I'm thinking Corona del Mar may be the way to avoid the wind. And so let's take a look at Corona del Mar. But I always want to take a look at the wedge. So let's go to the wedge next and then take a look at Corona del Mar. This is one of my favorite spots in the world. It's called the wedge. It's a great place to surf. And guys, this beach gets packed. All the best surfers go there. Of course, you can tell the wind has really blown it out, so there's not much surf going on there right now. And from this cam view, you really can't see the north side of it and how much activity it gets. But what it does determine if the south side right near the jetty is packed full of people and that beach is swamped full of surfers, that means that area is a booming place to hunt, right? There's a reason that place is one of the world's best surf spots, and you know, the best surf spots in Southern California usually are some of the best places to hunt. Okay guys, we're here at Corona del Mar, and just like I thought, this beach is packed. And why is it packed? Because there's a lot of wind at all the other beaches around, and this is kind of protected the way it is. So I would say this would be my ideal place for hunting right now. So guys, I'm going to call it a stop. We're going to end it right here. I'm going to load up my equipment in the back of the car, and I'm going to be metal detecting. So I'll let you know if I find anything good. So guys, as you can tell, I use surf cams, and the surf cams really tell me how much activity is happening at the beach. It also can tell me if the beach is being metal detected. You can look at that. I frequently look at the webcams, especially if I'm going to be going out in the afternoons. I'll look at it throughout the day. You know, 11 o'clock, 11 a.m., I like to look at it just to see how much volume was there. And again, at 1 p.m., I like to look, because when I get off work and I commute home and then I get all my gear on, I'm on the beach by 4 p.m. I like to be on the beach by 3:30 usually. But let's just say normally I'm on the beach by 4 p.m. in the summertime. So I don't like to waste much time. I like to go straight to a busy beach. I can monitor if another detectorists have been there. Usually I can see them on the surf cam as well. If I didn't see another detectorist and that beach has been busy, I'll target that beach and go straight there after work. Now, you know, it's always a crapshoot because you never know. Sometimes you can go to the busiest beach and not find anything but bottle caps and garbage, right? And other times you can show up at the slowest beach and find a nice big old fat gold ring, because guys, you really don't know. But here's my logic, and it's been pretty successful. Where there's a large volume of people, you have a higher probability of finding lost stuff, right? So guys, let's select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? Okay guys, I'm here in my test garden. I'm in Park 1, and I got a target that I planted right here. Now I got a tricky one here for you. All right. Let me go 90 degrees. Would you dig it? If you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. Let me go 90 degrees again on this one, guys. All right, let's dig this one up.
It's a fishing weight.
Okay, guys, it's time to select the winner of last week's Would You Dig It? I am going to my TubeBuddy app. I'm going to pick a winner. Comment must contain the word. I'm actually just going to put fish for fishing weight. And I know there is only one answer. And congratulations, Mr. Fix-It. I just want to point out I normally would not let a double answer win, but Mr. Fix-It, when you chose my guess is a silver plated spoon or a fishing weight, I let this one slide because fishing weight, you were the only one to answer that correctly. So send me an email and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card, and you can find that email address in the About Me section on my channel page. Congratulations, Mr. Fix-It. Send me an email. You can find that in the About Me section of my channel page, and I will send you out your $25 Amazon gift card. And guys, don't get discouraged. I got another Would You Dig It contest giveaway for a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday, happening right now. So let's check this one out.
Okay, guys, I got one for you right here in my test garden. I just planted it there. I'm in Park 1. I am in all metal mode now. I have a target for you right here. All right. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below what you think it is, and you'll have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday. We go back. Okay, let's dig this one up.
Would you dig it? I dug it. Would you dig it? And if you would dig it, comment below at what you think it is, and you will have a chance to win a $25 Amazon gift card that we will select in next Tutorial Tuesday.
All right, Dave, what are you working on now?
This is my barrel air cleaner. Kind of looks like an old barrel.
Okay. So you just painted this just now?
Yeah. This is actually a sign. And just kind of painted to match. Kind of blended in with the intake.
So you took a sign and then converted it. Okay, yeah. That's cool.
Flipped it the air cleaner upside down, put it on there. This is that old rat rod look.
I like it. Yeah. I like it.
Got the bike out too.
All right. Yes. Let's take a look at your bike. All right. Can you guys guess what kind of bike this is, guys? Comment below if you can tell me what kind of bike this is. But if you notice, there's not a bit of rust on this truck, even though it looks rusty.
Brand new paint job.
Yes, it is. Guys, you have to love Dave's imagination on repairs here. Little stitch job. He's got this converted where he could put the bike in the back. Yep. You gotta love Dave's truck.
That's right.
So, what colors do you use here, Dave?
I mix them, match them.
And then that's how you get the rusted look?
Actually, this is automotive paint for the motor.
Okay.
I heat paint, and I just kind of mix it to make it look rusty. I'm not actually
right
using sand and all that.
Okay.
Just shading.
Okay.
The motor, I just kind of keep the top end kind of rusty.
And then keeping the block all nice and shiny.
Yeah. That way it looks like, you know.
I'm proud of you for not too much. Well, you got no chrome on here at all, do you?
I don't like chrome.
I know you don't. That's what I was going to say. I was proud of you.
So guys, you have to love Rusty Dave's Rusty Truck. So that's his nickname, guys. He's very well known in this area for being able to rust out a truck even though there's no rust on that truck. He is an expert in his field on that, and that is his truck. That is his pride and joy. And by the way, that motorcycle that you saw in there, the one that looks really old, is actually handmade by him as well. Every last little component is handmade by him, or he's found and added to it. So it's a very eclectic mix of a bike. And that's why I'm just messing with you, because there is no manufacturer of that bike. The manufacturer is Dave. And yes, he rusted that thing out. And I remember watching him weld and re-weld, weld and re-weld, weld and re-weld, and grind and re-weld and weld. He did so much to create that bicycle. It was incredible. Or that motorbike that you saw. It's a piece of art, and I know he's been offered a lot of money and he will not sell that. And he is famous for what he does. His name is Rusty Dave. He doesn't have a website or anything, guys. So if you have a truck and you live in Southern California or any vehicle and you want it rusty, reach out or comment below and I'll give you Dave's information. So guys, if you like my videos, please click like. If you'd like to see more, consider subscribing, ringing this bell, and receive all the notifications every time I release a new video. And please take a look at either one of these videos.